You like QD 40 or about QD 40? Yes.
You open so many things just to access one phone.
What are you accessing? What are you removing?
We are removing the wiring harness. This one is saying here.
To remove it all?
Yeah, you have to press it all from here up to there. Ale se bugambo otya.
Gambo muliro. Osazeewo byononere ddala. Ddala byayononesedde osazeewo byononere ddala. Bwe mukwasa okimanyi nti kigambo. Bwe muba munaalwana mutoka na kigambo. Okimanyi nti olutalo wala kunvuma. Nkuvumane tuwona. Okimanyi nti olutalo luli era sabasuka na bigambo. Anti bw'oli agamba teweegattako wali bw'oli agamba mbeegattako. N'abasuka na bigambo. Kati kigambo ye Katonda. Yes. Mukooti bakusiba lwa bigambo. Oli yagenda ow'obujulizi n'agamba nalaba. N'amala n'agamba manya nawulira manya bagamba. Namugamba mutwale emyezi nkaaga. Atewa. Ekere ngenda. Leba kigambo kutamiriza manufacture manufacture ngamba teekawo sawundi waggulu.
Oh.
Cut right out with your wife. Very good. Yeah.
Now here you can have full access to what you're removing. Almost.
It's called water resistant.
It's also connected.
Yeah, the resistor.
Yes. Ahora removing the
I told the other one 22, he has brought 24. Fuel line. You make sure those washers don't fall. How about down? Doesn't have where you open.
Yeah.
It has down where you have to open also.
It's fine.
Now you try to bend it.
I think there now.
Now there you can access the bolt.
Yes.
Aye. It's just a nut.
It's a
Get
nut.
get 12 and open. Can't box work?
Box is not there. We don't have a box.
I saw you with 2 boxes.
No, one is a 13. This one can't fit there. Try to use this button. When fitting is my problem.
But will you pass? Will you pass?
I want to remove that car.
I'm saying, will you pass
Also,
that car?
you want to push this one here. This one has to push.
Now whereas Rich, can't you use a fixed ring? Our computer, our sockets, plus the wiring harness. All of this, you follow it from where it goes, and you remove each and every socket. In order to remove the whole of this wiring harness you're seeing here, you have to first remove the manifold. The whole of this manifold from here up to there, in order to access this wiring harness you're seeing here, because it also has to be removed. This is our fuse box. Our fuse box. This is our computer. This is the exhaust side. This is our engine. It's a 6-cylinder inline. It's a 6-cylinder engine. I think you can see from here. This is my coil number 1, coil number 2. This is coil number 3, coil number 4, coil number 5, coil number 6. Meaning it has six spark plugs. You can even see the exhaust side. It has a set of 2. 1, 2. Each one having 3 outlet for the exhaust, as you can see from here. This is my fan plus my belts here. This is my steering pump. This is where the throttle valves sits. Others call it the inlet for air. Behind here, that's the pipe that brings fuel to this common rail. This one you're seeing here, this is the pipe that supply fuel here to move through into this line you're seeing here. This is my common rail. These are the nozzle switches. These ones you're seeing here. This is my dipstick. It is also removed for the engine, and it sits here. This dipstick sits here. Here where you're seeing that I'm directing you, here in this hole you're seeing there down, that's where the dipstick sits. This is my radiator, engine mountings.
Timon,
Another one this side.
Timon.
This is my alternator,
Follow Kalatala Virana Piking Nipan.
the one for charging the battery
Motor Kalu.
and amplifying the engine.